The reason most real estate investors are losing out is because they're not looking in the right place. They're going after all the hot, sexy markets that you hear about online. But maybe the markets that you can make the most money on are actually the ones that aren't as sexy, but they're the slow movers that consistently provide income. We're going to talk about that today. Maybe Oklahoma should be on your radar as one of those markets. So some people say that cash flow is dead, but the truth is it's really not. It's all about where you're looking. I know people from all around the country and property managers. In some states, it is literally impossible to cash flow with this high rate market that we have right now and with high prices. But Oklahoma is not one of those. You can still cash flow. We have low prices, we have strong rents, strong employment. Oklahoma is a really good place to be investing right now and still making some cash flow. A bad deal isn't where most real estate investors lose. It's bad systems and bad tenants. And where do those come from? It comes from bad laws and bad property managers. Well, here in Oklahoma and in 1907, we can help you solve that. Oklahoma has very landlord-friendly laws. I can get an eviction done in about 30 days and get somebody out and get the unit turned and back online within just a couple weeks after that. At 1907, we make sure we get the right tenants in the door to even start with. If you have a good system to screen the right tenants, you can prevent most of that, and even if you don't, you can get them out quickly and turn and start making money again on the unit. So sometimes the boring markets are where you really want to be, and Oklahoma can be considered one of those. Most people don't even come to Oklahoma. It's a flyover state. We're just north of Dallas, but you fly over it to get to Dallas. But we have a really steady economy. Other parts of the country, they go up and down, and it's super sexy, and you get sky-high prices, but then whenever their economy falls, it goes back down. Since the 80s, Oklahoma has been the slow and steady state. Our prices go up a little bit faster during good times and slow down, but keep on going up even during bad times. Part of this is because we have really strong employment. If you look, 8 out of 10 of our top employers are government or healthcare based. Those aren't going anywhere. Doesn't matter how bad the economy gets, we're going to have those sectors, and those will always exist here in Oklahoma. So it keeps our economy really stable, and it keeps our employment base and our tenants super stable, keeping housing prices up and keeping rents up. In most markets, you can maybe afford to buy one rental. It can be really hard. Some of these prices are crazy high. Here in Oklahoma, our prices are still really low and significantly under the national average for real estate prices. I've had investors sell properties out on the West Coast, and they'll sell one property and come here and buy 3. That's a great deal for them because now they have 3 assets that are each appreciating in price, that are each producing rent income, and one may go vacant. And that's okay, that's how this works. Sometimes one is vacant, but not all 3. Whereas if you have this asset in a higher priced market, you may have that one vacant and your cash flow is all gone. And most likely your cash flow is not going to be equal between the two. We can get more cash flow here because you have more tenants. So more doors equals more diversification, which is a safer bet for you overall. So if you're ready to get started investing in Oklahoma, give us a holler. We're located in the Oklahoma City Metro, and we can help you find the right areas to maximize your profitability, to make sure you're getting the best tenants in the best areas, to bring the most cash flow, and to get the most money in your pocket. So give us a holler at 1907 Property Management.